Welcome back, viewers. Our focus today centers on the iPhone 16 Pro Max, including its speculated release date and pricing details. As we find ourselves in February, it's remarkable to think that within approximately 8 months, we'll witness the launch of the iPhone 16 series, comprising the 16 Plus, 16 Pro, 16 Pro Max, and the tantalizing prospect of an iPhone Ultra model. We encounter the iPhone 16 Plus, essentially a larger variant of its counterpart, featuring a 6.78-inch display with the same resolution and display specifications. This model also inherits the 120Hz promotion display and new buttons, along with similar RAM and storage options. It will house the A18 chipset, with camera specifications mirroring those of the base model. Expect a battery capacity of 383 milliamperes, with the base model priced at $899. Transitioning to the Pro series, the iPhone 16 Pro is slated to receive an updated design, sporting a 6.3-inch OLED display with enhanced pixel density and promotion technology. Alongside the new buttons, it will feature 8 GB of RAM and storage options, extending up to 2 terabytes. The A18 Pro chipset will power this device, with noteworthy camera upgrades, including a triple setup with a 48 megapixels ultra-wide, wide, and a 5x zoom lens, alongside a LiDAR sensor. Expect a 274 milliamperes battery, with the base model priced at $1,200. Finally, the iPhone 16 Pro Max boasts a mammoth 6.9-inch OLED display, identical to its predecessor, but with improved pixel density and promotion technology. Like its siblings, it will feature new buttons, 8 GB of RAM, and storage options up to 2 TB. The A18 Pro chipset will drive performance, accompanied by a triple camera setup with enhanced zoom capabilities and a LiDAR sensor. Anticipate a 422 milliamperes battery, with the base model priced at $1,299. Before we proceed further, it's crucial to emphasize that while these details are based on leaks and reports, they're not guaranteed until Apple officially unveils the devices. Moving on to release dates, while exact dates remain speculative, the current trends suggest a September unveiling followed by availability roughly 10 days later. As for pricing, while Apple has maintained consistency in US pricing, fluctuations may occur due to currency valuation and regional taxes. In conclusion, if you found this breakdown insightful, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the latest updates on Apple's upcoming releases. Until next time, take care and goodbye. Next time, take care and